Today, we're diving into Huawei's latest innovation, the groundbreaking Huawei Mate XT, the world's first ever triple foldable phone. Like all the foldables we have right now on the market, most of them unfold to about the size of an iPad mini. But this big boy is different. The Huawei Mate XT is starting to look more like a regular iPad in size, and that's a game changer. The dimensions are much better, giving you even more room for apps and multitasking. We now finally have an iPad-sized device that can fold and slide right into your pocket. How cool is that? Huawei is once again leading the charge in foldable tech, just like they did back in 2019 with the Huawei Mate X. Let's break down the specs and see why this device is turning heads. If we look at the design, the Huawei Mate XT unfolds to a massive 10.2-inch display, measuring 156.7 by 219 millimeters with a super slim profile, ranging from 3.6 to 4.8 millimeters. When folded, the phone is much more compact, coming in at 156.7 by 73.5 millimeters, but it's still a beast, weighing 298 grams. It supports dual SIM, which is perfect for travelers or business users. The Mate XT boasts an innovative tri-foldable LTPO OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and it offers 1 billion colors for incredible color accuracy. The full display is a whopping 10.2 inches with a 91.9% screen-to-body ratio. What's even cooler is the dual display setup. You get a 6.4-inch LTPO OLED cover display, and when you partially unfold it, you unlock a 7.9-inch OLED screen. Huawei has really outdone themselves here. This phone is powered by the Kirin 9-10 chipset, built on a 7nm process, paired with the Meilu 910 GPU. It's running Harmony OS 4.2, making it a China-exclusive operating system for now. With an octa-core CPU, performance is optimized for everything from multitasking to gaming, ensuring the phone can keep up with your demands. Huawei has packed the Mate XT with a versatile triple-camera setup. The main camera is a 50-megapixel wide sensor with variable aperture, ranging from f1.4 to f4.0, giving you excellent performance in different lighting conditions. You also get a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5.5x optical zoom and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide with a 120-degree field of view. Of course, there's laser autofocus, OIS, LED flash, and HDR, so your photos and videos, which can be shot in up to 4K resolution, are going to be crystal clear. For selfies, it comes with an 8-megapixel front camera that also supports 4K video. The Mate XT supports stereo speakers, so you'll get immersive audio whether you're watching videos or gaming. There's no 3.5mm headphone jack, but with Bluetooth 5.2, you can easily connect wireless headphones. As for connectivity, the phone supports Wi-Fi 6 and comes with dual-band GPS, supporting GLONASS, Galileo, Naviseek, and more. There's even BDS satellite calling and NFC support. Now let's talk about battery life. The Huawei Mate XT is equipped with a 5600 mAh battery and supports 66-watt wired charging. It also supports 50-watt wireless charging and 7.5-watt reverse wireless charging, perfect for charging your other gadgets. Plus, you get 5-watt reverse wired charging as well. This phone is ready for anything, with multiple options to keep it powered up. The Mate XT comes in two elegant colors, red and black, giving you a sleek, premium look no matter which you choose. As for pricing, it's not cheap. The Mate XT starts at around €2,550, making it a luxury device, but given its innovation, you're paying for cutting-edge tech. And that wraps up our first look at the Huawei Mate XT. Huawei continues to push boundaries in foldable tech, just as they did with the Mate X in 2019. What do you think about this triple foldable phone? Is this the future of mobile technology? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech content.